Japanese and P-pop idols are dancing to SB19 Cream Zone New DC, plus Cream Zone climbs back on iTunes PH chart. SB19's Cream Zone is back in the game this 2025 as it enters the top 10 of iTunes PH chart once again. At ito ay sa kadahilan ng muli nga itong nag-viral with a new dance choreo na sinayaw na ng marami, kabilang nga dyan ang members ng Japanese boy group Super Fantasy and a Japanese dancer and former idol Masahiro. At syempre, hindi rin papahuli ang ating mga P-pop idols, si Razor ng Horizon at ang members ng Believe P-pop group. Mukhang sasalubungin din ni Cream Zone ang simula at wakas.